For the whole interaction. So that's cool. Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing amazing. You look like the ocean today.
Thank you.
Are you friends with the ocean?
Yeah, I am.
Me too. No, we should go to the ocean together one day.
That would be a great idea. That
And we
sounds
can
like
be
fun.
cool and hey hey.
Yes.
But watch hey hey for me.
Oh, of course. Of course. You can't let him go too far.
You can't. You know, he likes to eat rocks.
Yeah. I saw that a couple times. 15.
Oh, that's so funny. But also not a lot. He could eat more.
He was very heavy.
He does get heavy when he eats rocks.
Him trying to walk for more rocks was a little fun. It's kind of like a
It's like when you have like change in your pocket and you just hear him jingling.
Oh, hear the rocks in his stomach. Oh, that's funny. Now, do you want my friend to hold your treasure?
Yeah. Please. Thank you.
But you cross your arms to your back feet. There you go. Say hey hey. Hey hey.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, sure. Of course we can. Do you want my friend to help us? Yes.
Oh yeah. I got that. Bye. Thank you, Juana.